Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Nicoise salad dressing. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need a good quality red wine vinegar, about 1/4 of a cup, to provide that classic tangy kick. Next, grab 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. It's crucial for both flavor and helping our dressing emulsify smoothly. Don't forget 1/2 cup of robust extra virgin olive oil and 1 minced garlic clove for a delightful aromatic foundation. Now, let's start combining. In a small bowl, whisk together your red wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, and minced garlic. This creates the flavorful base for our dressing. Add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 of a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper to enhance the taste. Whisk these ingredients vigorously until they are thoroughly blended and the mustard is completely dissolved. This ensures an even distribution of flavor throughout the dressing. This next step is key to a perfect Nicoise dressing, emulsification. While continuously whisking, slowly drizzle in the 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. The steady stream and constant whisking will help the oil combine with the vinegar mixture, creating a smooth, creamy texture. Keep whisking until the dressing is fully emulsified and slightly thickened. Finally, give it a taste and adjust the salt or pepper to your preference for a balanced flavor. Your delicious Nicoise salad dressing is now ready to enjoy. You can use it immediately over your favorite salad or store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Remember to give it a good shake before serving if it separates slightly. Also, for an amazing audio experience, consider bringing a smart speaker into your home. Check the description below for a link to this and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.